So, just do a little bit of homework around that. Understand also what the role is. You don't need to be a total expert on it. And that's what I've said to a number of people whenever they've been interviewing for those sort of analyst, intern type roles. I said, look, don't worry. You don't need to be 25 years experience like me. You're 25 minutes in. I will not expect you to know everything inside and out, but you need to know the basics about what the role is and what you think you will be doing, as an internal audit analyst or as a data science analyst, and if that's the sort of role that you're going for. But I think the most important thing is, as well, have a think about your career to date, because a lot of people haven't actually got a career at that point in time. At school, university, college. You've maybe had a couple of jobs, where you've worked part time. Those jobs may be, like a lot of us, and I can happily put my hand up. I worked at McDonald's and I flipped burgers. It's not really relatable to a certain degree to a role in somewhere like financial services or whatever. But it is, and it shows the capability that you work and that you're a hard worker and you want to work as part of a team. And if you actually look at a lot of the intern websites, because a lot of the like the big banks and all, they'll have a whole section on the website about what it is to be an intern and what the job looks like and what the sort of the scheme will entail. You'll see a couple of keywords that I will definitely say. You need to work as part of a team, because you will be part of a team.